At Farms.com Risk Management, we understand that commodity price risk management and sound financial advice are essential in today's volatile crop and swine sectors. Visit our website at www.riskmanagement.farms.com.
Welcome to the Farms.com Weekly Crop Report for July 8th, 2011. This is Michelle Lamirande, Commodity Research Analyst for Farms.com Risk Management. On Thursday, June 30th, the USDA released their annual June acreage report. The USDA reported total 2011 U.S. corn planted acres at 92.3 million. This was 1.5 million more acres than the markets were expecting, 0.1 million more than in the March report, and 0.8 million more than the highest estimate. This was also up 5% from that of 2010. Total U.S. soybean planted acres at 75.2 million were down 3% from 2010, at 1.4 million less acres than the markets were expecting, and 0.3 million less than the lowest estimate. Total U.S. wheat planted acres were pegged at 56.43 million acres. This is up 5% from 2010 and 0.57 million acres less than the market was expecting. In other news, the USDA released their weekly crop progress report on Tuesday, July 5th. U.S. corn conditions for the week ending July 3rd were reported as 69% good to excellent versus 68% last week and 71% last year. 22% of corn was rated fair, down 1% from last week and up 3% from last year. 9% of corn was rated very poor to poor, unchanged from last week and down 1% from last year. U.S. soybeans were reported as 8% blooming versus 21% last year and the 5-year average of 18%. Soybean emergence was reported as 96% versus 92% last week, 97% last year, and the 5-year average of 96%. Soybean conditions for the week ending July 3rd were reported as 66% good to excellent versus 65% last week and 66% last year. U.S. winter wheat is now 56% harvested compared to 44% last week, 52% last year, and the 5-year average of 52%. And the rumor has been confirmed. The USDA reported the private sale of 540,000 metric tons of new crop 11-12 U.S. corn to China this morning. The private sale of 300,000 metric tons of 11-12 corn to unknown destinations is also reported. However, rumors of China purchasing up to 8 million metric tons of corn continue to circulate in the trade. That's all for this week. Have a great weekend.